Taurus, hey, how are you? Okay, this is your December 2021 relationship reading, and we will be looking at the energies between you and your special person for the month of December. We will be looking at their feelings for you, their intentions, and also the direction of the connection, where it is going given current energies. Remember, energies can change, they can shift depending on the work on yourself, your own mental attitude, your own mental diet. And I will pull one card at the end for what they'd like to say to you, given the opportunity. Doesn't mean they will say it, but what they'd like to say to you. So 3 cards to start off with. Their feelings. The star reversed. This can go a number of ways, so let's clarify before I jump in. The Emperor reversed, and the King of Swords upright. Okay, so there is a lack of faith here. A lack of faith that this relationship can work out. I sense that there is a lack of hope as well. They're feeling that this is a hopeless situation. And it's making them feel unsteady, insecure. It's almost as if their world's been pulled apart. Structures which they once depended upon, routines that they once depended upon have all been taken away. They are in a difficult and bad situation. King of Swords, upright. This is a person who is, despite his hopelessness, despite that, is somebody who's fairly determined. Determined. I'm not sure, I don't think this is them. I think perhaps this is you. Taurus, are you determined? Are you holding back your love, holding back your feelings, perhaps doing no contact? Somebody on the surface who appears to be adjusted, perhaps even a little bit cold, objective, not showing their emotions. Perhaps that's you, and that's kind of rattled them. It's rattled them big time. And it's making them feel that this situation is hopeless. Okay. Intentions. This is what they have decided to do, but it doesn't mean they're going to do it. We have the 2 of Wands. 2 of Wands reversed. So they've taken the decision. They have taken a decision in the past, and now they're reconsidering that decision. They're reconsidering what they want to do. 4 of Cups upright, and the 9 of Cups reversed. This, whatever decision they've taken, they're unhappy with it. They're unhappy with it to the extent to which now they're considering taking the decision which they rejected. They would have had two equal and balanced options. And they've taken the decision for one option, and they're regretting it. They are regretting it big time. And they're reconsidering this because they're discontented by this. They're not happy. Because that decision they've taken, it was supposed to heal them, fulfill their dreams, make them feel whole. It's not. Their dreams have been shattered, and they're unhappy about that. And they haven't got any hope. So where is this going, given current energies? We have the 2 of Swords upright. Reverse, sorry. Obviously my eyesight's not very good today. 3 of Discs reversed, and the 8 of Wands reversed. they're overwhelmed by this, and they can't see. They're not seeing any way out of this. And they can't see how this connection is going to work out. Again, there's this lack of faith, this lack of hope that this can ever succeed or work out. And they're frustrated by this. They're frustrated. They can't see a way out of this situation. And they can't see any way of taking a different decision, a different course. They are trapped. Trapped in, it's not even indecision. They're trapped in just having no faith that this could work out, ever. So just what kind of actions are they likely to take for December? Death. Let's clarify that, because that, again, death doesn't always mean what you think it might mean. The Magician. Do you know, I think they're going through a transformation. They're going for an inner transformation. This has rattled them. This relationship rattles them to an extent. And they're trying to work out how they can connect, how we can manage this, how we can create this. These are two major Arcana cards. And they're trying to work it out. We're trying to understand for this month how they can mature this connection in some way. This is fundamental. It can be sexual transformation as well. This is such a powerful card. It doesn't always mean endings. This person doesn't want to end anything here. This is about inner transformation. They're working on themselves. At some level, they're working on themselves because they want to recreate themselves. They want to... You hear that cliche, don't you? When you're trying to get back to somebody, you say, I've changed. Do you know something? I think this person is changing on some level. Okay, so let's now look at what they'd want to say to you, given the opportunity. What would they want to say to you, Taurus? Not that they will say this, but what would they want to say? Okay. One more time, I think. One more time. It seems to me that this person of yours, Taurus, is all over the place. They're trying to pull themselves together. Not a bad thing. I guess, have you also got the faith to wait for them as they pull themselves together? Okay, the Emperor. Nine of Cups, upright. And the Four of Cups, reversed. What they want to say is that they need to get their life back together. They need to take control of their life. Just like the Emperor has control of his kingdom, they need to have control of their universe, their own sphere, their own life. And they want to find fulfillment. They want to find fulfillment somehow. I don't think that's necessarily with you, but they want to find fulfillment and happiness. They want to be happy. This could also be about, they want you to come to them. They want you to come to them. That might be a little bit arrogant perhaps, but there's an element of that here, I think. Because once they get their lives together, perhaps you can do that. And they are trying to pull their lives together. This can also mean that they miss you as well. They're missing the opportunity that has now been withdrawn, they're missing you. As simple as that. They want their lives together. They want to rebuild their life. They want to achieve some form of fulfillment, but they are missing you. Perhaps also that is an emotional wish, a deeply held emotional wish, that you come back to them as well. Perhaps. It's not all that clear. Okay, Taurus, I hope that was helpful. Okay, thanks so much indeed. Bye-bye.